How do I get current URL in Selenium Webdriver to Python? I'm trying to get the current URL after a series of navigations in Selenium. I know there's a command called getLocation for Ruby, but I can't find the syntax for Python.
Use current_URL element for Python 2. For Python 3 and later versions of Selenium.
Selenium 2 library has get_location.
According to this documentation, a place full of goodies. Or, see official documentation. This URL.
Another way to do it would be to inspect the URL bar in Chrome to find the ID of the element, have your WebDriver click that element, and then send the keys you use to copy and paste using the keys command function from Selenium, and then printing it out or storing it as a variable, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.